This is the case for manual mission controlling. Here we manually send drone to the particular device. So our app is connected, drone control, and now I'm going to pair the device with the same method by scanning the QR code. So I'm scanning our first device. My one device is paired. Second device is also paired. So here are my two devices which are actually paired, and this is the location of the drone. Now I am sending my colleague at some location with the device 1, and I will show you in my app. I am manually sending the drone to the location. So my colleague is moving towards this side and my drone is placed there, and you can see into the drone controller app. Here is the device list button. Two devices that is connected. So my colleague is taking Xiaomi Redmi device. So you can see colleague is reached there and drone is still at its location. Now I am manually sending the drone to this location by clicking the follow button here. So you can see drone automatically takes off. And reach to the location.